2 words, parsley juice. Pay attention, don't leave. You're going to be convinced by the end of this video, just like I was after I did the research on how powerful parsley juice is. Of all things, I got mine right next to me. I'll show you how to get it in you as well very easily, but look at the astonishing benefits of something as simple as parsley. Let me get your attention right out of the gates. Less gas. It actually removes gas and bloating from the body. Decreases fluid that builds up, especially important if you're swelling or if you have kidney issues. That in turn is going to lower UTIs, and it's going to increase makeout sessions. That's why I'm drinking mine today, with hopefully around the beautiful Nurse Livingood later on. It freshens your breath, parsley does. Now let's go into depth on what else it does. Welcome to the doc's office. It's Dr. Livingood. Antioxidants. Oxidation happens when molecules are produced as waste in the mitochondria. These little suckers float around and they are missing a few screws, aka electrons. And if it's missing an electron, that means it's going to be a thief. It's going to go steal it from something else that shouldn't get stolen, like cholesterol. Check out one of my cholesterol videos on the channel. If you oxidize cholesterol, that means one of these antioxidants stole an electron from it. Now cholesterol's like, what the heck? I'm not like I used to be, and that's what can cause problems. Whole lot of other damage with the heart, with chronic disease, linked to antioxidants. Well, good news. Parsley, one of my favorite things about it, it's loaded with antioxidants, flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamin A, vitamin C, all preventing oxidation inside of your body. So when you do mess up nutrition, and we do eat some processed foods, and we do eat things that crank up free radicals in our body, antioxidants are going to isolate it. So my recommendation is start your morning with some green juice like this, and you are setting the tone inside your system of get out of here, thieves. We're going to prevent the oxidation. Now, other cool parts. Vitamin K, you don't have to freak out about it if you're on a blood thinner or something. Just some good forms of vitamin K, healthy amount. It's going to help the 3 B's. Bones, brains, blood. Bones, going to help absorb minerals into them, very crucial if you're dealing with osteoporosis or osteopenia. Brain health and brain function, cognitive function, especially as you age. Blood health by helping it to clot and do what it's supposed to do properly. Parsley, though, being in a very safe level as a food. I like taking in, if you're going to take in vitamin K, not K2, K1 in this form. Iron next. Surprisingly, parsley has 2 times the amount of iron of spinach. A lot of people eat spinach to get iron in it. Parsley, 2 times the amount in equal amounts of servings. That's going to be huge for preventing anemia. Also, you need vitamin C to absorb iron, but good news, parsley is an excellent source of vitamin C. So the fact that it's an excellent source is mean you're going to get the iron absorbed, you're actually going to use it, which is going to help out your blood. So let's go over to the counterpart. Vitamin C also benefiting immune health, also benefiting the skin, and it is the precursor to collagen. So vitamin C is very key. So I like taking collagen on a daily basis to help bolster my protein in my body and to help my gut, my skin, my hair, my nails, my joints. So I take collagen, but you need vitamin C to do it. So I oftentimes will pair my collagen coffee with green juice. Folic acid is next. Helps out the heart, but also parsley helps keep homocysteine levels in check. Homocysteine is, if it gets too high, there's damage to the blood vessels. This can create a lot of chronic disease, blood vessel related issues. Anyone with heart problems, blood pressure problems, cholesterol problems, better be paying attention to that homocysteine number. We want to keep that thing low. You can do a simple blood test and check it. Parsley juice helps that, which then improves blood flow. Vitamin A, finally. Dry eyes, cataracts, eye health, parsley is an excellent source for it. So the gas, the bloating, the fluid, the UTIs, the makeout sessions that are coming your way when you get this in, how do you do it? Well, I don't normally juice a lot of it. I will add it, especially if you buy parsley to put on top of food and then you have it left over in the fridge. You can easily juice it. You could blend it if you wanted to, but that gets a little grimy. In my greens powder, I just put a large dose of parsley because of all of these benefits. That powder is in the description below. So it's why I use things like greens powder. I also add fresh juice to it as well. So I mix the greens powder with the fresh juice. So I'm getting fresh parsley along with dried parsley in a powdered form that still tastes really good. So I start my day every day with that, and that is one of the main reasons, because parsley is amazing. So parsley has a couple other amazing green friends. One of them is celery, which I made a video which a whole bunch of people liked. I think you will as well. Check out the effects of celery juice to add to it, to pair with it. Check out this video next.